I'm going to show you how you can make your own eggless, dairy-free mayonnaise. So to start off, we're just going to make our mayonnaise. It calls for half a cup of soy milk, and then we'll be adding 2 cloves of garlic, and then some salt, Himalayan salt I'm going to be using. And then what we're going to do is just use a stick blender, and we're just going to whiz it up and mix it very well. Now you really want to make sure that it's blended really well. Sometimes the bits of garlic can get a bit stuck. Once those ingredients are blended really well, we're now going to add our rice bran oil. Now just make sure that you pour the rice bran oil very, very slowly, and gradually it will start to thicken. You can actually hear the change of sound in the blender. It's because it's getting thicker, and you can start to feel it as well. So as you can see, our eggless mayonnaise is getting really nice and thick. So we're going to add our water next. It calls for 1/4 cup of water. Next we'll be adding our lemon juice. So there we are, we have our eggless mayonnaise, and as you can see, it's thickened really beautifully now. So we're going to add our mayonnaise to our very famous traditional potato salad. And here we have our potatoes that have already been boiled. As you can see, I've left the skin on because the skin in our vegetables is what has so much fibre and goodness in it. So now we'll add our mayonnaise to our potatoes. Now this recipe is fantastic for so many different things, for burgers, on sandwiches, salads. You can even make it a little bit thinner and use it as a dressing. And it does keep in the fridge for about 3 to 4 weeks. Now just to add a bit of colour, I thought we'd put a little bit of red onion in. So this is 1 small red onion. Alright, so once that's all nicely stirred through, we're just going to finish it off by decorating it with a little bit of fresh parsley. And you can be creative, you can also decorate it with some black sesame seeds. And there you have it. There's our potato salad made with eggless mayonnaise without any dairy products.